Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are taking my latest video. So girls, it is over today. I bring some special, beautiful crochet, coffee cozy free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful ideas for coffee lovers, tea lovers. Beautiful coffee cozy, tea cozy ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work, different designing. Some are light color, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy. Fabulous and trendy handmade knitting variety. Very nice, most demanding collection. Different designing. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. Good comment section. Press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now we have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.